Oh my god, I recorded one of these with my microphone unplugged. And I uploaded it. It wasn't until way later that I realized what had happened. Alright, we're gonna do an ultra fast speed run, dude. It's 8:45. Whatever. Bitcoin's at 47.8. Look at that big jump. Down 2.4%. Ethereum 1.5, down 1.3%. Cardano $1.22, down 3%. Don't feel bad for them. They're up almost 30 on the week. Binance 239, down 7%. Tether's in fifth place. They've been sliding. XRP 43 cents, down 1.5%. Chainlink 29 bucks at $8, 8% up. Litecoin 175 at 0.8% up, and Bitcoin Cash 521 at 5% up. All right, let's look at the fastest movers. We got Curve Dow 30% up, Theta 19% up, Energy 16% up, another Theta 14% up, Compound 16% up, Engine is still riding at 15% up. Engine's at 85 cents. Bitchin'. Good for those guys. All right. All right. So earlier it hadn't crashed through the support yet. So let's go ahead and check it out. Let's see what we got. All right. So since we talked 13 hours ago, the last video, it's went ahead and dipped 3 some odd percent. The lagging indicator is pointing pretty down. Everyone's pointing down, and it looks like we have a death cross here. So that's all some pretty downward pressure there. There's a lot of sales happening here. See, the volume is pretty high compared to the volume the rest of the time. So there's a lot of selling pressure right now, and that person apparently doesn't care about getting 50K. They're just gonna sell at 40 whatever. And we're getting some resistance forming up here, although it's still pretty thin. So let's zoom out a little. Go ahead and put up an EMA. All the EMAs are kind of jumbled. It's like all we need is for this last one to jump up on top, and then we're totally inverted. So that's once again some downward pressure in the bands. Bands really aren't all that big, but they're getting bigger. So it still doesn't look like it's going to be a ton of movement either way. I don't know. This new homie's gonna be in the SEC. He's gonna be there for Biden. Um, that's probably a positive thing. This article, well, this is probably a positive thing for crypto in general. This article focuses on XRP, who is currently getting sued by SEC. Basically, the short story there is that the XRP Ripple, which is XRP, they went along and were like, hey, government, can we sell these tokens? And the SEC didn't really give them a clear answer. Another organization said go ahead. Then some odd year or so plus 2 years down the road, the SEC's like, hey, wait a minute, that's a security that you're not registered with us. And so now they're suing them, like way after the fact, after XRP, um, you know, tried to clarify that in the beginning. So I think they stand. I think they have good standing on this lawsuit either way. And then of course, like you put someone in charge who's crypto friendly, that's going to be good. XRP, but XRP is also not the saving grace of crypto. XRP is kind of a private bank product anyway. It's kind of weird. Crypto.com sponsors Aston Martin Formula One team. See, the shit like this is important, and let me say why. Is because the real hardcore crypto, not your keys, not your crypto people, the hardware wallet people, you know, we're always gonna have a certain view, but about that kind of stuff. But like, do you really want people who don't know what the hell's happening with the hardware wallet to lose their crypto and think crypto's a scam? I think that the majority of people on Earth, you know, who might tap into cryptocurrencies would probably not use ultra safe hardware wallets. I think for them, it's actually better to have customer service to rely on, and it's better to have someone else being the actual custodian, like in a traditional bank. Perhaps, you know, and that's not me. I'm a hardware wallet kind of person, but I don't think that is a one size fits all solution for everybody. Um, And so this, circling back, this kind of thing, getting exposure on a big television program, like it's important, and I think that's what's going to bring people into crypto more is when they figure out like it is as simple as using a banking app. Well, it's not as simple, but it's not a hell of a lot more complicated if you use a system like crypto.com. Okay. Whew. Speaking of, I'm gonna put my link in the description in case anyone is like suddenly curious about this website for some reason. What's it called? Referral code. So yeah, use it. I'd be appreciate that. Thanks. All right, I gotta go. Speed run. Too low. Too slow.